to a glacial rate of only about 1/10 of a meter per second, as it makes very slow, very deliberate final approach to this poised docking module.
Rate. One square to the...
There, a good close-up of the MS-04 Fear to your cheek and a Jack Fisher on board.
Copy that. 0.67 range rate, copy.
A little under 115 meters away.
SM diameter is now more than 2 squares and getting close to 3 squares, copy. We are observing the target. Copy.
The camera view on the Soyuz showing just under 100 meters away now. Continuing to close in on that poised module. Should be just a couple of minutes now from the docking of the Soyuz MS-04.
Of the crosshairs, we have retrograde. 0.4 is range rate.
And again, this entire process automated using the Core's automated rendezvous and docking system.
Diameter. 1 square docking interface, copy. Range rate is 0.32, copy. The target is practically in the center and crosshairs are aligned. Copy.
The Soyuz continuing to slow down during this final approach. Again, it'll only be at about 1/10 of a meter per second, so very slow, very deliberate during this final approach into the poised module, but going according to plan, just about 50 meters away.
The target is half a degree down from the center of the crosshairs. We are close to 2 squares along the width of the docking interface. Copy.
Наблюдаем.
And we have SSVP. Ready the internal transfer system. Yes, and all the indicators are illuminated. Range rate is 0.13.
Принято.
Copy. We are observing the crosshairs. The target is 1 square lower from the center of the crosshairs. Copy. We passed 2 squares along the diameter of the docking interface.
Принято.
Copy. The interface is clear.
Принято.
Copy. Range rate is 0.15.
Выключи R5.
Deactivate R5.
The vehicle just about 30 meters away, already now down at that roughly 1/10 of a meter per second closure rate.
In the center, crosshairs are aligned. A small deviation along the yaw.
Так, наверное, да. Все. Оставляем так.
Okay, let's leave it this way.
3 клетки по диаметру стыковочного.
3 squares along the diameter of the docking interface. Range rate is 0.1. Copy.
Формат ССВП.
SSVP format. Excellent.
Мишень, центр перекрестия, кресты собраны.
The target is in the center. Crosshairs are aligned.
База Р. Вес по-прежнему 1,7.
And we have 1.7. Copy.
Небольшое расхождение в пределах
Small deviation
нормы по рысканию и
in the yaw,
градус вправо.
and the target is 1 degree to the right from the center of the crosshairs.
По крену.
A small deviation in the roll.
Принято.
Copy.
Скорость на сближение 009.
The reports from Mission Control Moscow continuing to indicate everything going well, very smooth for this Soyuz vehicle on its flight so far today, just about 20 meters away from the docking port.
Центра мишени. Центр ВС.
The center of the target is slowly coming to the center of the periscope, and the crosshairs are aligned. Copy.
Скорость на сближение 009.
Range rate is 0.09,
Мишени прошли.
and we passed 1.5 squares along
Мишень один.
the width of the target. The target is down 1 degree from the crosshairs center. Copy.
Скорость на сближение 009.
Range rate is 0.09. Copy.
Две клетки по ширине
2
мишени.
squares along.
Soyuz disappearing behind a radiator on that view, but continuing to get a good view from the nose cone of the vehicle, just about 10 meters away. Standing by now for contact and capture.
Range rate is
Принято.
0.1. Copy.
2,5 клетки по ширине.
2.5 squares along the width of the target. Crosshairs are aligned.
Ожидаем касания.
Standing by for contact.
Мишень в центре, кресты собраны.
The target is in the center. Crosshairs are aligned. We have contact.
Цепка. Механ соединен.
Docking mechanism in
And contact and capture confirmed. Docking of the Soyuz MS-04 to the International Space Station. Fyodor Yurchikhin and Jack Fisher now attached. Docking occurring at 8:18 a.m. Central, 9:18 a.m. Eastern, while the station flew just about 250 statute miles over the northern Atlantic. Again, docking confirmed 8:18 a.m. Central, 9:18 a.m. Eastern Time. The station 250 statute miles over the northern Atlantic. Jack Fisher